Introducing the Moar e-bike, the first of a new generation of e-bikes that are both fun to ride and practical on a daily basis. The Moar bike conquers steep hills and will cruise all day and up to 20 miles per hour. Right away, you'll notice the 26 by 4-inch fat tires with double the footprint of a standard mountain bike. More rubber means more traction, letting you ride over wet pavement, potholed roads, or loose surfaces with ease. Moar offers the only affordable fat tire e-bike equipped with both front and rear suspension. Full suspension provides agile handling and a smooth, stable, and comfortable ride at any speed over any terrain. The frames are constructed out of 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum. Light, strong, and guaranteed not to rust. And when you're done riding, the frame easily folds in half for storage or transport. And there's no need to call it a day when the sun goes down. Bright LED projection headlights illuminate the road ahead without blinding oncoming traffic, while soft angel eyes light up the rider and give a face to the bike. A centralized 48-volt battery powers the whole system. It's wrapped in an IP65 rated, splash-proof aluminum housing and offers immediate power delivery. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, a commuter or a trailblazer, Moar offers the ultimate e-bike for your needs.
Does your morning look like this? There is a better way, a compromise-free way, one that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is Carbo. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's Carbo.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the Carbo, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make Carbo come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about the ride home? The smart screen can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and guide you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. Carbo is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
Carbo is ready to roll,
Fully functional.
ready for production.
All we need is your support to make this
a reality.
Say hello to Citgo, the world's most versatile folding electric bike with its cool appearance, simple, lightweight, and easy to store with 3 simple folding steps. It's the best partner when you're traveling around. The 180 brushless hub motor powers you to achieve up to 25 kilometers per hour, and you'll be running up hills without ever having to paddle again. You just stretch out, sit go, get on and go until its long-life, environmental-friendly lithium battery drains while you're 35 kilometers gone. This highly efficient mini bike is perfect for everyday commuting, beach riding, in any scenario imaginable. Designed for comfort, built for performance. Modifying the stagnated fundamentals of electric bikes, Citgo has designed referring to dynamics and science of riding, wind resistance that fit for proportion of human height perfectly. With less effort and energy efficient, assembling the tractor is also undergoing a rigorous testing and riding experience. What's more, we offer you the most affordable price than anything in this class. Charge your cell phone with its inbuilt USB charging port and enjoy your selfie time, anytime, anywhere. It also has a 360-degree rotating cell phone holder. Ride while listening to your favorite music, or don't miss your route. The world's first electric bicycle can be charged by car cigarette lighters that will keep your Citgo and never run out of power, being your best travel companion ever. Citgo flies into town with a say no to traffic jam, and you'll never be late to work in and out of your workspace. Drive through the corridor, carry it in the elevator, put it under your desk, and experience every moment without the hustle and bustle. This airy travel buddy can be connected to your standard home charging port. Connect and enjoy your read for the next 5 hours. Carry it with you on the bus. High brightness of long-life LED focusing lens lights as headlights lets you have a clear and broader night vision, while the rear-end aluminum push ruby LED light gives you a safe night ride. Power switch, horn, acceleration grip, lamp switch, and battery monitor, all at your fingertips, gives you a comfortable ride without any distress. Feel the innovation of a luxury experience in a bike comprising everything.
I'm Barbara Alink, the inventor of the Elinker. The Elinker is a revolutionary walking bike that enables people with mobility challenges to be physically and socially engaged. It is a radically different vehicle that allows you to stay active no matter what. It all started 4 years ago when my mom said, "Over my dead body I'll ever use one of those." With that comment of my mom, I realized that traditional mobility devices emphasize the disability. They're designed to move the body from one location to another location, but they're not designed for the user experience. So when I set out to design something even my mom would use, I knew it had to be so different that it would overcome our discomfort with a disability. Now, I talked to a lot of potential users, and I listened to how they would want to live their life regardless of their disability. They all wanted to live a full life, be happy, be social, be active, go shopping, go to a museum. Not so different than you and I, right? So I started realizing that what I needed to design really was a vehicle for social change. After 14 prototypes and years of testing, I now present to you the Elinker. The Elinker is designed so the user can sit upright, be at eye level, have their hands free, have no pressure on their lower limbs, be stable and safe, can move, can travel, but most of all, can be the one with, "Wow, what is that?" Last year we launched in the Netherlands, and it has been a life-changing experience for the users. Since that time, we worked really hard to make it possible to launch now in North America and to help more people live a social and active life, no matter what. We need your help to make that happen. The goal of this campaign is to raise enough funds to get the first shipment of Elinkers to North America and get them to those people who are waiting for a small miracle. This campaign will help us set up for a larger production run as we expand. You can support us in 3 different ways. You can purchase your own Elinker directly through the campaign, and actually there is a limited amount of Elinkers available to be delivered to your home before this summer. You can also make a contribution to help other people get Elinkers. And for every $2,000 we raise, we will donate an Elinker to somebody who needs it. With your contribution, you can also nominate somebody. And lastly, you can share this campaign with all your friends and help us change the world. We can't wait to hear from you. Thank you for your generous contributions. And together we move differently.